Oh, my bread's just about defrosting. Anyway. So we're on the Ouse again. I'm only local today. This is a good swim, but it's just a bit loud. A lot of boats and carnage going off. Bread's still frozen, man. I always keep a loaf in freezer. Because if you want to go, you've always got a few slices to hand. Can't have ground bait ball there. Right, don't be snaggy. Start on bread punch and try and get a few, and then I'll probably have a go at wafter. Oh, a little tap. Oh. Oh, you're not first chuck? No. Never have it that good. Ooh, that felt a bit like a branch. Oh, I'm way too keen. Way too keen. Because I want bread, like, I feel like I need to hit it because it'll come off. It just feels soft, like it's landed on a load of rubbish. A couple of little dabs in and out. Every time I cast in it, same thing. Bread's still there, look. Right, let's have one more chuck with bread because there's fish there. And if we don't get one, I'm off on wafters. See if we get a barbel. Oh mate, we're in. That feels like a big old slab. Yep. That was on the brown crumb and krill with green lip mussel mix. Probably doesn't matter what you put in really, but yep. It's worked. Nice bream that. God, they always kick off on river. Oh, I can see it hook and all. Oh, if you'd have stayed still, we could have had it. No. Mate, why have they got to do it? Oh look, come out, that is a right touch. Right, I'm not getting it out, but you'll see it going back. They're good to catch, I just don't like messing with them. Go on, big lad. Well, the bread came good in the end. That tiny little bread punch. Them little knocks I was getting was maybe liners then. Good thing here is it's not too deep. So in summertime, it's ideal really. Another tap straight away. No way, got done. Got done. No, I'm way too keen. They must be liners, them. Must be a load of bream here, I guess. Instantly when you chuck in, man, there's fish there. I aren't striking them because I keep missing them. Go on then, these are liners, these must be bream. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try the wafter, because we're not getting any bits anyway. So, that might get us into better fish a bit quicker. So I'm just on my tiny quick stop. All I do is shove it into wafter and it seems to do the job. It's just neat and tidy. Oh, that sun's getting out now, this won't help us. See if I keep getting hot knocks on that. Liners, look. They're liners then. So now we're striking on bread. Just liners. There's obviously some good fish there. There we go. Bream. Yeah, in this situation, herring and wafter, definitely best way to go. You're not worrying about it coming off. By the lengths I go down this line here. You'll be happy catching them in a match. Another thing with air rig is you generally get them out lip as well, you're not getting like deep hook holes. Come on mate, just stay calm and we'll have this sorted. You just stay there, brother. I've lost me wafter, but something good just jumped out down margin here. Well, that's it. The window of opportunity has gone. Sun's out. Fights have dried up. The party's fully over. So I'm calling it a day. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Tangled look. Not great.